is a new type of building materials. Shattering magnet is mainly used in construction site precast concrete framework system. It increases building stability while reducing labor costs and time costs. Under the Belt and Road policy, there will be a large number of infrastructure projects. The shattering magnet will be widely used. As professional magnetic solution provider and designer, Jimei have helped and designed many types of precast concrete magnets for our customers all over the world. And the most popular items are 900 kilograms, 1000 kilograms, 1800 kilograms, and 2100 kilograms magnetic box. Original from Germany technology, our products are well accepted in the market of Europe, Australia, and the Middle East due to our excellent quality. Magnetic ferrite insert is designed to fix the lifting anchor onto the steel template. The neodymium magnet used can exhibit a strong force if in confined space. The height and diameter of the base can be adjusted according to your needs. The threaded end can be replaced or welded. When the finished product delivered, the magnetic inserts are generally assembled with a threaded pin. But at the same time, it can also be combined with the required specifications. Wirebox magnetic fixture is designed to fix the wirebox hole when making precast concrete components. When formed high-strength rubber and powerful magnets are combined together to effectively avoid slipping, wireboxes losing, and make the precast concrete components more beautiful. The magnetic chamfer thread is used to generate chamfers during the production of PC components. When side molds are without chamfered magnetic strips can be flexibly used. If chamfering is required, compared with iron chamfer, the rubber magnetic chamfer strip is better on lightweight and bendable feature, which is very convenient in practical production and application. It is also better on a strong magnetic force, simple production processes, and short delivery time. And its price is cheaper than neodymium magnet. Current sizes are 8 x 8 mm, 10 x 10 mm, 15 x 15 mm.